Hi, I'm Rohit.
Hi, I'm Srishti, and welcome to the Golden Epaulettes podcast.
So today in this podcast, we'll talk about the basic questions that students used to ask. So Srishti,
Yes, Rohit, why not? I'm very excited and happy to answer those questions.
okay, so let's start with the first question.
Sure.
So currently I'm in class 12th. Am I eligible to become a pilot?
Yes, Rohit, why not? You must need to keep three things on your mind while becoming a pilot. First, you must be proficient in English. Secondly, you must not be less than 18 years of age. Third, you must have your physics and maths in your 12th standard.
Okay, so our next question will be, I'm not from science background, so can I pursue pilot training as a career?
Yes, Rohit, why not? You can still become a pilot. Say if you are from a commerce background or humanities background, what you can do is you can apply in NIOS, National Institute of Open Schooling, and appear for your physics and maths exam.
Okay, and if I have a diploma?
Yes, if you have a diploma which is equivalent to your 12th standard and you had your physics and maths, then it's up to you.
Okay, so let's go with our next question. I'm 17 and I completed my 12th class. So can I pursue training?
Rohit, it's advisable that you turn 18 and then think of becoming a pilot as your career. However, if you're done with your 12th and you are 17, you can write your exams, you can do your flight training, but however, you cannot apply for the CPL.
Okay, so our next question will be, I'm eligible to become a pilot, but what will be my first step?
So, as far as your first step is concerned, you need to get done with your medicals, which means that you must make ensure that you're medically fit. So there are two types of medicals, class 1 and class 2 medicals. You need to get done with your class 2 medical first, then you can apply for your class 1 medical. Also, side by side, what you can do is you can apply for your computer number on Pariksha portal.
Okay, so our next question is, what are the different types of pilots?
There are various types of pilots. First, defense pilots. There are commercial pilots which are most preferable among people, and there are also private pilots.
Okay, so if I want to become a commercial pilot, what all are the pathways?
To become a commercial pilot, there are two pathways that you can consider of. First is your cadet and second is your conventional way.
Okay, so I want to know the difference between cadet and conventional.
Okay, as far as telling you the difference is concerned, I'll tell you the basic difference. If you apply for a commercial pilot through a cadet route, then your job is secured. You have a job security in your hand if you go for the cadet thing. But for a conventional way, you have to write your exams, then you have to do your flight training, and after that, when airline would be out with its vacancies and the current market scenario of that time, then you'll get a job.
Okay, great. So that's enough for today's video. So thank you, Srishti.
Thank you, Rohit, for having me in this conversation, and I'm glad that I'm able to answer most of the questions. For any more query, you can just comment down in the box given below, and we'll try to address your queries in our next videos.
And stay tuned for more updates.
Subscribe Golden Epaulettes.